Hi, if you're here, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. So I am still at C.H.A.S.M Fest, so I'm about to go get some gas and go to Walmart and get a few things that I need. So I'll see you guys along the way. All right, you guys, so I just finished deleting some stuff, so hopefully I can have a little bit more room to just record, you know, the scenery and me going to get gas. I need to go clear my head. Can't find my toothbrush. I'm annoyed. So I'm just going to go take a little drive and try to clear my head, listen to some music. So I'm about to find out how much it takes to fill this up from like maybe a little bit more than a quarter tank. So at least I can gauge how much gas I'm going to use, because I think I might go another place that's 2 hours away from here and then have to drive 2 hours back plus another 3 hours to drop this rental off on Halloween. So at least I can see how much gas I'll be using. This place tomorrow, hopefully that I'll get to go if everything works out okay. It'll be a nice turnout. It's a place that I've been wanting to go, so hopefully it'll work out. So I'll see you guys at Walmart. It's so windy out there. So it was about 37 to get to full from under half, a little bit more than a quarter under half. So all right, Walmart it is. I'm in such an introvert mood. I'm going to get my headphones. I had to get me some headphones from Dollar Tree because I left my Bluetooth home. So yeah, I'm going to zone out in Walmart. I got to be the dumbest person. I do not know how to put these earphones on. It's like this part moves. I don't know how to do it. I'm about to throw them away. I wish I had my freaking Bluetooth. I just want to zone out. I don't want to hear anything but music. I finally figured out these earphones, but they suck, from Dollar Tree. I'll just have to wait till I get back home to get mine. I'm not buying more just for Walmart. What else did I come in here for? I forgot. I'll figure it out. Oh, let me get a little towel. I don't know. I'm about to get up this store. My signal not letting me be great. This looks like it might be the outlet I need. I do need something a little bit bigger. I don't want to get a big towel because I don't have space in my bag. But, oh, that's another thing. I do need another bag because I'll probably pay for a freaking carry-on. I don't want to, but I might have to. This is pretty. I'll probably just get this one. It's kind of like a hand towel. Yeah, it's a hand towel, but I'll just dry off with it. I'm not trying to carry a whole bunch of stuff back with me. What else do I need? I'll probably get another little bag for my personal item bag. Now my music just kicked back in. Craziness. It just keeps getting better and better. This one is so soft. I was about to get this one. I think it might be like 20 cents cheaper than this one, and it's like super soft. But then I just seen this for $3.97. Is this a real towel? Looks like. Wow, is this a real towel? Wow. I guess I'll be getting that one then. Okay, I'm just going to get a different color. I'm trying to get outside of grays and blacks with everything. This is the color of my bathroom, like this and this. So let's get this one. Do I want this one or that one? I don't know. I'm about to go get me a toothbrush and a bag and maybe a little snack or something else that I might need and get out of here. How is it the same bag with two different prices, 25 and 27? They funny. I just need one little single toothbrush. I can't find mine. Oh, perfect. I think this might have been the one that I had. I actually had this one. It came in a pack of like 5. Oh, yeah, this is the pack I had. No, I don't know. This is the toothbrush I had, but I don't know what I did with it. Hopefully they have some little conditioner. I brought the wrong one the other day. I meant to bring it with me and exchange it, but I forgot. I just want to be in and out. Make sure. Oh, it got keratin in it. Ugh, I don't know if my hair is going to like that. My hair is so crazy. But my hair loves argan oil. I stopped using protein in my hair for a while. My hair only likes protein maybe like once a month. So I guess that should be fine. What else do I need? I'm about to get out this store, I think. Oh, I'm going to go get me some lunch meat since the lunch meat I had got soaked in the water in the cooler from the ice melting. So I think I'm just going to get some lunch meat and get out of here. These bikes are so cute. All right, focus. Oh, I was just reminded. What am I getting to drink? I need me a little kick. Little kick. Blessings on my life. Do they have vodka in here? Well, at least I'm in the aisle that I needed. So I'm just gonna get me one more of these. Oh, I should try the peach kind. Alright, I'll try the peach kind. And get my lunch meat while I'm over here. I'll probably get something else to drink. I have, 2 days left here? Something like that. Where's the lunch meat? Oh, it's down here. Hopefully they have the same one. Honey roasted. Okay, let's try this again. I wonder if they have ice. Let me see. This is what I'm talking about. They got like big bottles. Oh, a little party pack. Wish they had like a smaller bottle, but they don't. I guess it's $66. I need to go get my ice and get out this store. I don't know if I'm forgetting anything, but I don't need to buy anything else. Oh wow, I might try those one day, not today. They're already going to ask for ID with this alcohol, so I'm just going to get my card. I was just getting my ID. You check for IDs for the alcohol, right?
Thank you so much.
I'm so excited. I finally got the book bag that I wanted, the Reebok bag, but it was only $11. Oh, shh. I have to give this to Tiffany. A lady came by and said that a lady she knows wanted her to give it to her. Ooh, this bag is heavy. I don't want to smash anything that I have in here. My glasses. All right, I need to put my ice in this cooler real quick. All right, you guys, it feels good to finally be done at Walmart. Time to put on my directions just to get back to the campground. And of course, I'll veer off from there because like I said, I got 2 spots I want to go to. So I'll see you guys along the way. Now, let me put on my directions. Alright, y'all, I am back to C.H.A.S.M Fest. Okay, why can't it? Okay.